This dance is called ABC Bachata. 32 count, 4 walls. There's no tag and no restart. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 begins with your left. Side, together, side, keep bump. Mirror image to your right. Side, together, side, keep bump. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Section 2, walk forward, left, right, left, left, right, left, keep bump. Make a half turn to your right, half turn, a quarter to the right, and another quarter, back, hip bump. Section 2 again, step forward, left, right, left, half turn to your right, a quarter to the right, another quarter to the right, hip bump. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Section 3, forward, touch, back, touch, forward, touch, back, touch. Section 3 with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, make a quarter to the left with a hitch on the right. Quarter left, hitch on the right. Step down to the side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. And you finish the dance. Section 4 again. Quarter to your right, quarter, hitch, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Section 4 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me go over the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.